Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice milk. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of uncooked rice, 4 cups of water, and a small pinch of salt. Begin by rinsing the rice under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, place the rinsed rice into a bowl and add 2 cups of fresh water, allowing it to soak for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight for best results. After soaking, drain the rice completely. Transfer the soaked rice to a high-speed blender. Add 2 more cups of fresh water to the blender with the rice. Blend the mixture on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want a very smooth consistency, so make sure there are no visible large rice pieces left. This step is crucial for achieving a creamy texture. Now it's time to strain your rice milk. Place a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag over a large bowl. Carefully pour the blended rice mixture into the sieve or bag. Press down firmly on the rice pulp to extract as much liquid as possible. This process separates the smooth rice milk from the fibrous solids, giving you a silky smooth beverage. Discard the pulp or repurpose it. Finally, you can customize your rice milk. Add a sweetener like maple syrup, agave, or a few pitted dates, along with a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Whisk everything together until well combined. For a fresh scent in your car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals linked in the description below. Store your homemade rice milk in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Shake well before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.